Making violet vinegar, another in our foraging series. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Step 1, go out and harvest violet petals from the violet adorata or sweet wood violet. You're going to need a glass jar, a funnel, vinegar. I prefer white wine vinegar or champagne vinegar for this, and violets. You're going to need 1 cup violet petals packed, 2 cups white wine vinegar or champagne vinegar. So I am going to make violet vinegar. I have 1 cup of very packed violet petals, just the petals. I prefer to use everything just the petals. And I have 2 cups of white wine vinegar, and yes, it is 5% acidity. I'm gonna go ahead and make this. I have a lot of things I want to do. I want to make an oxymel out of this eventually with some honey. And so it is 1 cup of petals to 2 cups of vinegar. And of course, this kind of vinegar doesn't come out very easily. And I'm just using an old Prego jar to make this in. And then I'm going to make it into an oxymel. So many things to do with violets, and there are so many this year. I'm going to go pick another container. I've been picking a container every morning, and then Jackie picked some to make violet sugar. We didn't measure those. So, all right. All that white wine vinegar in there and cover it up. And then I'm just going to shake it and keep those down. And just like I do for my tea, I'm going to let that infuse in room temperature for 1 to 2 weeks. Not like the tea. The tea I only do 24 hours. 1 to 2 weeks. I'm going to shake it daily. And so I'm going to shake this every day. And the longer you let it infuse, the stronger it's going to be. And this is the beginning of my violet oxymel. So join me for some more recipes. Got a lot in this series on foraging right now. It is violets and the red buds are out, so it's going to be red buds soon too. So join me for those. Thank you. Check out our foraging series for violet sugar and violet jelly recipes. If you're enjoying this series, please be sure to subscribe and hit that like button so I know to make more content like this. Thank you. Check out this whole playlist we have on just foraging recipes.